Hi, this is Pallavi Verma, and in my previous video we have discussed what package.json and package.json files are. So in this video we will see what is event emitters. So let's get started. So first what I need to do is I need to check whether we have events module with us or not. So what we can do, inside our package.json we need to check under this category, which is dependencies. So here we have HTTP and this node product. We don't have events module with us, which means first we need to install that module. So what I'll do is I need to fire one command, which is npm I or npm install events. Now this command will install this events module for us. So if you see in this package.json file, we have this events module and its version. So now what I need to do is I need to create one file inside my src folder. So let's say it's Eventemitter.js. So inside this JavaScript file, first I need to import the module. So const emitter and require, and we need to give the name of the module, which is events. So how we can access event emitter? So there are two approaches. So first one is .event emitter, or if you don't like to access in this way, there is one more approach. So I need to create the variable here. Let's say ebt and emitter.event emitter. So there are two approaches. So usually I don't prefer this approach, so I'm removing it. If you want, you can use it in that way also. So before going ahead with the code part, I want to tell you what event emitter is and how it works. What exactly the concept of event emitter. So this basically works on the pub/sub concept, which means if I give you one example, if you have one YouTuber and that YouTuber has subscribers. So the moment YouTuber is uploading its video, then that would be one event. And once it is get uploaded, then the users or the subscriber will get notified that YouTuber has uploaded one or more videos. So the process to upload, this will trigger one event. So uploading is one event, and the notification is the listener part, which means the subscribers get notified. So it works on the pub/sub concept. So I will implement this concept. So let's try. What I need to do is first I need to create the object of the emitter. So const, it's ebt object new emitter. Now using this object, I can access on function and emit function. So ebt object dot on. Now what I can do is I need to pass the name of the event. So let's say it's upload. So upload is the name of my event, and once this upload event gets triggered, what it should do. So there are few other approaches and few other type of way where we can do the code. So this is the very simple way that I am telling right now, and in my later videos I will cover that other part also for the event emitter. So I wanted to keep it very simple, so I'm just making one function here. Inside this function I need to pass the variable. So that variable could be, if this upload event gets triggered, it should upload the videos kind of education. So I would give edu videos. So it will accept education kind of videos, and I will log the statement. So console.log, and let's say some statement here. So video is edu videos. Now I have this event with me. Now I need to trigger it. So how we can trigger it? For that we have emit function. So ebt object dot emit. For this also, first I need to tell the emit what kind of event we need to trigger, what it is expecting. So we need to provide the name of the event first, which is upload. So this is final, the name of the event is upload. What next? So if you go back and check on function, here we are passing videos. So we need to pass one more variable here, which means that is the value of your variable. So let's say it's NodeJS tutorial. Now we have on function, we have emit function. So emit function will trigger our upload event. So let's run it. So before that, I need to go inside my src folder. Now I will run this. So node and the name of your JS file. So emitter. So if you see, it is triggering this upload event. So what if I change the name of the event? So will this trigger it? No, it will not trigger it. So let's try. So randomly I'm giving submit. So these two are completely different because it is expecting upload kind of event, but it is trying to trigger submit kind of event. So let's run this. So if you observe, it is not at all printing anything because this emit couldn't find any event with the name of submit. And once I change it to upload, then it will trigger. So I hope you liked this video, and I will cover this event emitter part in my next video also. So stay connected.